A little bit of extra content for you guys. I would like to reveal new livery on the matte clear Novi 2.4.1.379. Let's go. Oh yes, here he is, he, she, Novi 2.4. Whatever you want to call it. Guys at Calzi SSD corner and LC done a wonderful job. Again, the brief was simple. I said, listen, Con, I want it different. I was kind of tired of the previous one. They've done it 3 years ago. It was fantastic with tearaway graphics, whatever. And I said, I want it different. It has to be sort of race car-ish, so just right in your face. And he was like, hold my beer, check this out. I'm blown away. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's a few things I'm missing, because obviously my race number and the name and then the world time attack. So those little things will go on whenever they need to be. Other sponsors for like championship sponsors, but those are all of my sponsors. And thank you very much. Obviously Calci SSD, T7 Design, Tigiba, Haltech, Pulsar, Funk Motorsport, and of course Easy Composites and some Sonas, and not to forget equipmentforgarages.com. Anyways, absolutely love this car, the way it looks. All we need is a working engine, because we've just done a piston head show, and nobody noticed it's missing an engine. Where's our engine, Ted? We're missing Ted engine. Anyways, wonderful show, highly recommend. Piston Heads annual service, really busy show. Fantastic. Anyways, really short one for you guys. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.